Boman Kemp Manufacturing has been in business for over 50 years. From the humble beginnings of Leil Boman and Mel Kemp, the company has grown into a large steel facility, supplying structural steel, reinforcing steel, and basement window systems. The rebar and structural departments supply the United States, while the basement window systems division supplies the United States and Canada from coast to coast. Our rebar division has an impressive list of fabrication equipment, including 3 shear lines, 5 benders, a radius machine, a spiral machine, along with 2 Schnell coil stirrup benders. Proudly, we boast about our staff and the quality of people we are very fortunate to have with us. Most of our rebar fabrication personnel have been with us for over 10 years, while many are approaching the 20-year mark. Our personnel fabricate the rebar orders with top quality equipment and years of experience. 8 reasons to consider Boman Kemp for your next project. Number 1. We are a proven supplier for large and diverse projects, including the Stratosphere Hotel, Casino and Tower, Las Vegas, Nevada, with our contribution being over 1,000 tons of fabricated rebar, delivered on time, fabricated correctly, and under budget. The Delta Center Arena, home of the Utah Jazz and the Utah Hockey Club, Salt Lake City, Utah, 3,500 tons. The LDS Conference Center, a 1.4 million square foot building covering an entire city block and an auditorium seating 21,200 people. Salt Lake City, Utah, 15,000 tons. The San Jose Convention Center, San Jose, California, 9,000 tons. Spent Fuel Handling Project, or SFHP, at the Idaho National Laboratory, currently supplying 12,000 tons of NQA1 materials. Boman Kemp has always made it a priority to stay up to date on equipment, practices, and standards. Boman Kemp is proud to maintain a facility for controls and procedures as part of the Nuclear Quality Assurance, or NQA standards, as established by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, or ASME. Our intent is to meet, utilize, and implement regulatory requirements in the NQA1 standards, industry best practices, and quality control procedure for projects requiring NQA1 certification. Number 2, experience fabricating NQA1 safety class, safety significant reinforcing. We also have the capability to fabricate based on ACI 349 and ACI 318 standards. Number 3, NQA1 quality control experience. Our quality control capabilities include robust chain of custody management. For every incoming material load, we provide material certifications from the manufacturer. Electronic certificates are readily available for all work in progress, as well as for finished and stored materials. Mill certifications are included with each order, and paper copies of these certifications for specific loads are provided in the delivery packet. Additionally, upon customer request, electronic copies of all load paperwork can be emailed in advance of the delivery. Number 4, traceability. Traceability is maintained through a unique control code assigned to each material release. This code allows any bundle of material on site to be tracked back to its associated mill certificates, which are stored in both electronic and hard copy project files. Number 5, high production rates for reinforcing steel. We have an average production rate of 3,000 tons per month. This rate is based on standard ACI 318 and CRSI reinforcing requirements. Number 6, quarantined storage areas. Inbound rebar undergoing commercial dedication, 500-ton capacity. Commercially dedicated material waiting for fabrication, 3,000-ton capacity. And fabricated loads waiting for shipment, 1,000 tons or 40 loaded trailers. Number 7, office capabilities. We provide an office desk and required connections for inspectors. This office is available to general contractors for quality control purposes. And number 8, close proximity to key players and transportation hubs. Boman Kemp is located in Ogden, Utah. The steel mill, Nucor Steel, is just 49 miles to the north. Nationwide trucking companies are close by. Tramcor, for example, is just 4 miles away. The Ogden Airport is 3 miles away, and the Salt Lake City International Airport is 39 miles away. Fly into Salt Lake City or the Ogden Airport, and everything you need is close.